This time on Rock Up Racing, it's the Christmas break, but there's no sitting by the fire with mince pies and mulled wine for this team. Instead, they're tackling their biggest challenge yet, moving their entire garage, Coastal Motorsport, into a brand new workshop just a few doors down. It's no small task. Every tool, every car, every ramp, and the entire carbon fiber operation must be packed up, transported, and reassembled in just a matter of weeks. The team is building their dream garage, but with the clock ticking and a hard deadline of the 2nd of January, could their ambitious plans end in disaster? Welcome to Rock Up Racing.
So the first job we've got to do is put in a ramp at Coastal, the new unit. So we're moving in over the Christmas period. So Coastal Motorsport is closed now for Christmas. But what we want to do is when we reopen at the start of January, there is a ramp in place so Tom can start work. You know, we've got customers booked in for the start of January, and we obviously need a place for Tom to work on cars. So priority is getting a ramp installed in the new unit just so Tom can work. We need to dismantle this and get it in the trailer, get it over to the new unit. Somehow, Paul.
You had your ready break this morning?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. We've just placed them there. We've actually got to properly measure it out, but it's going to look something like that.
Measuring out the ramps is no small task, and it's a critical one. Once they're installed, there's no going back if they're even slightly out of place. The team is taking meticulous care, measuring not just for ease of access, but to ensure the perfect layout that makes the most of every inch of their new space.
So this is going to be the ramp that Paul is going to have the Camaro on. And, well, not just the Camaro, but other things like project cars or, you know, stuff like that. So it's going to be kept away from, you know, like customer cars. So there's going to be a ramp here, workspace and benches here. And then a ramp here for like a customer car, and a ramp over here for a customer car. Because you want to keep, you know, the nice road cars and things like that away from where Paul is working and welding and doing things like that. So what we're going to do is this is going to go straight on. So it's going to go straight like this. So you should be able to really just drive in here or push it in and get it in here. Like we've got the go jacks, so we can always position it, and I think if this goes somewhere here, there's loads of room for Paul to work around the car. It's like shed loads of room here, so maybe you can put a few bits here or make something like that. There's going to be loads of room to work around it. Right, well, we started to put the first ramp together this afternoon, and we've got bored because it's our Christmas party. Woohoo! So we seem to have found the only Chinese restaurant that has absolutely no one else in it.
Yes. Fancy some spare ribs.
I'm a little bit worried
Well, like all in one go.
what we're gonna get.
Do a dab. No, don't put that on YouTube.
That's gonna go on YouTube.
Where is it? Where are we going?
One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're it's the next day. We had our little Coastal Motorsport outing last night. This morning we're on the bit of the go slow, but I don't think it's going to take too much longer to get the ramp done. It's really, really fiddly. Right, this is the first turn you on. You pull the knob off.
Pull your knob off, Paul.
Pull.
So you need to turn. There you go. And then you just press the button.
What, that one?
Yeah, I think so.
Hold it. Just keep holding it. You gotta let the fluid get through.
Oh, that's it. That's not what we're going to do. There's a tension in.
Just testing it out. We're just testing it out. How you feeling, Tom?
It's good. What's it got on it now? 200 kilos? Seems alright so far.
Paul, what's just happened?
Well, this
Yeah.
caught the handle, snapped it off.
Tom and I are stuck up in the air.
It won't go down.
It won't go down because the knob's broken off. Paul, where are you going?
Turned up to 11 and pulled.
Paul, where are you going?
Gap in the Christmas dinner.
So we managed to actually get the ramp erected, and we're now going to test it out with Rob's car. Go on, Tom, get underneath.
I love you, Mum.
I think we can chalk that up as a success. Well done.
You happy, Paul? Yeah, happy now. I'll use it now. It's been tested.
Right. I think that's it for today. Goodbye.
Let's go home for Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone. With the first ramp installed, the team has taken a major step towards making the garage operational by January 2nd. But the work doesn't stop there. Next on the list, signage. The new unit offers plenty of space to display the Coastal Motorsport name. But first, they'll need to remove the old tenant signage. Like everything else so far, it's not a quick 5-second job or a simple task. It's another challenge in their race against the clock.
I can't wait to go up that. Good job I'm not scared of heights, isn't it? We've fully risk assessed it, and we've got all of the correct PPE, and I've done my working from heights.
Paul's putting the scaffolding up, and Charlie's already on it.
We're fighting daylight, you see.
We're fighting the f***ing wind as well.
You are?
We're fighting the wind as well.
Yeah, that'd be alright. You'll only fall off.
You only
It just might hurt a bit.
You'll only fall off once, Charlie. What are you doing here?
Well, I just thought I'd put some extra legs in.
You can't have enough legs.
Safety conscious.
You alright, mate?
Yeah, I'm fine, mate.
Are you alright there?
It's a little bit wobbly, isn't it? I haven't got any bits.
Give it a shake.
What?
Give it a shake.
It's probably one of the windiest days today, isn't it?
What?
One of the windiest days.
Audio is going to be...
I don't need a hard hat because there's nothing in here. Right, that's the squares off. So they are over there. So behind Paul, there we go. So they're there. So here we are, got our rickety old scaffolding. We're on to the last sign. So we're nearly there, nearly there.
Is this bit our parking as well? This is right, okay.
Right, so this is the last piece of the signage. Oh, as you see, it's getting dark now. You alright?
Yep.
Yeah, I've got it.
Yeah, so I just wanted to catch it on that.
Alright, mate. I'm gonna let go, yeah?
Yep.
Woo! Oh, gosh. So, that's all the signage on the side of the building gone.
And we're all still alive.
We are, just. So that breath. So the plan is Will at North Walsham Signs. He's gonna put a little design together for us, and hopefully we'll have the signs back with new graphics just after Christmas. So I can't believe, how long did that take us?
A couple of hours. Back to 2 hours.
2 hours to take all that down?
Yeah.
That's good going. Right, that's enough now. Time for a cup of tea.
With the new signage on its way, the team can move their existing Coastal Motorsport sign to the new unit to keep things moving forward. With so much already achieved, it's finally time to pause just for a day or two and spend some well-earned time with their families enjoying the Christmas festivities. But it won't be a long break. With so much still to do, the team is going to need the rest, and maybe even a little Christmas miracle. Merry Christmas, everyone.